Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for coming back for another video. In today's video, we're talking BoxyCharm. It's my favorite time of the month. I love getting BoxyCharm boxes every month. For those of you who don't know, BoxyCharm is the monthly subscription box where you pay $21 and you get 4 to 5 full-size products. You get skincare and makeup products, and it's always way more than $21. So let's go ahead, open this box, see what we got for this month, and try this stuff on. First thing I see is a skincare product, and it's by Dr. Brand. It's a Hydrobiotic Recovering Sleeping Mask, so we'll try this later. If you want to see how I like this product, go follow me on Instagram. I'll be trying it on my Instagram stories, and we'll see how this works. I definitely need a mask every now and then because I don't go out of my way to look for a good mask. So it's good to get those kind of stuff in BoxyCharm. And this mask retails for $52. You pay $21 and the first product is a $52 mask. Not bad. Second product I see in this box is Mora brushes. Mora brushes are 5-piece brush kit. They retail for $27.95. So let's open them up and touch them, because first thing you do when you get brushes is touch them. Ooh, those are so soft. Very soft. I definitely love the packaging. I love the black, and they are so soft. So we're gonna try them today. The next thing I see is this, and this is called the $1 Billion Brows. It's the Microblade Effect Brow Pen. For those of you who don't know, my eyebrows are microbladed, so I don't know how much I'm gonna use this. Like, I have microblade and microblade over microblade. Doesn't make sense. Anyways, this eyebrow pencil retails for $18. Next product is this eyeliner from Henry and Hank and Henry, and it's called the Blickety Black eyeliner. Blickety Black. This eyeliner retails for $20, and it's a small tip like that. Let's see. Oh. Let's see, we'll try it and see if we're gonna like it or not. The last product is this palette by Violet Voss. I really wanted to get this product. I saw the sneak peeks. This was one of the options, and I really wanted it. I loved the colors so much. Very fall and also everyday colors. And this palette retails for $29. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids to get them ready for the eyeshadows. So since it's September and it's already smelling and looking like fall everywhere, it's only fair to do a fall look. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the shade Sand, and I'm gonna put this all over my eyelids. This brush is so soft and so easy to work with. And the brush I use is called BMX 430 Crease. So it's the crease brush. Next, I'm gonna grab this detail brush and I'm gonna go with the color Dusty Rose. Where's the brush? Dusty Rose. And I'm gonna put this right in my crease. I'm gonna grab a paper towel, clean up this brush a little bit. And I'm gonna go with the shade Cinnamon. Cinnamon. And I'm gonna pop it in my outer corner. Now I'm gonna go with the shade Plumberry, and I'm gonna apply that on my eyelid. And for Plumberry, I'm gonna use this brush. It's the Shade Brush. Wow. I love love this so much. It's so pigmented. You guys, this is so pretty. I absolutely love this color combination so much. This palette is amazing. Now with this brush, it's called the Smudger. I'm gonna go with the shade Cinnamon, and I'm gonna apply it right under my eyes. To use all these brushes, I'm gonna grab the last brush, and it's called the Lime brush, and I'm gonna go with Dusty Rose. And try to apply it right here. Now that I used all these brushes to create the eye look, I don't have a clean brush for my brow bone and my inner corner. So I'm just gonna grab a Morphe brush and go with the shade Cream and apply it on my brow bone. Ooh. I'm gonna use the same shade for the inner corner. Oh, this is so pretty. Now it's time for eyeliner. Let's see how this is gonna work. This was nice and easy. This eyeliner is approved by me. I really like it. Moving on, eyebrows. I'm not so excited for this, but we have to give it a shot. I'm gonna go put some mascara, lipstick, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and applied some mascara, highlighter, and lipstick on, and I'm back for final thoughts. So, the eyeshadow palette, I absolutely loved it, and I'm gonna use it in my next week videos, maybe next Friday. I wanna do fall look with it. I really love the colors and the pigmentation of the shades. The brushes were really awesome. They were so soft and they were so easy to work with. The eyeliner was nice. I'm gonna use it again. I liked it. And the mask, you're gonna have to go to my Instagram again to see how I'm gonna like this. I'm gonna use it on my stories and I'm gonna save them so you can check it out whenever you get a chance to get to my Instagram. Last product was the eyebrow pencil. I did not really like this. I don't need it, and I don't think I'm gonna use it again. So I was really hoping to get one of the highlighters that they offered this month, or the MAC lipstick. I was gonna be happier, but it is what it is. You get what you get when it comes to BoxyCharm. So I'm happy with all the other products again, except the eyebrow pencil. So that's it for today's video, you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're here for the first time, please subscribe, like this video, and share it, and comment down below. Give me your opinion of this look maybe, or let me know if you got this palette and liked it. And I post a video every Tuesday and Friday, so you're gonna have to subscribe to see all my upcoming videos. Bye!